Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. I'm Alicia, and today is an awesome video and an awesome day because I have partnered with Fabfitfun for today's video, and they just released their spring box, and I'm so excited to see what's inside because every single time that I take the little quiz thing and like pick out my items, I always forget by the time the box comes. The theme of the spring box is metamorphosis, which is perfect for spring because butterflies and all that. And you know what I think of when I think of metamorphosis? I mean, other than like change and stuff like that, I think of the Hilary Duff CD. That was an awesome CD, and that song was fire. It was so good. Love Hilary Duff, we stan. And I think we all can relate to that thought and theme of metamorphosis because over time, we just constantly are changing, and hopefully for the better. I'm different than I was when I was 16. I'm 25 now, so that's what, 9 years? And even at the start of this decade, well, this past decade, because now it's 2020, but I've changed so much and for the better because every single day, I'm constantly looking for ways to improve myself because no one's ever perfect, especially me. I've definitely been into positive affirmations lately. I'm constantly trying to change the negative thoughts in my head to positive. Always working on that, and I found that actually really helps me. I encourage all of you guys to think about your metamorphosis and your change that you've had throughout the years, and comment below and let me know what that's looked like. How have you guys changed like in the past 10 years? Oh, it's crazy to think like 10 years have gone by. That's insane. I mean, for me, 25 years have gone by, but I don't remember some of it. I was a baby. Fabfitfun is a seasonal subscription box with full-size beauty, fashion, wellness, and lifestyle products that comes out 4 times a year. Each box is $49.99, but has a $200 value of everything inside. Plus, you can get $10 off your first box with my code LECIALICIOUS. Now, if you're an annual member, you actually receive your box before everybody else. If you're an annual member, you get to be in the first round of shipments, which is super cool. The cool thing about Fabfitfun is that it lets you customize some of the things in your box, and I definitely customized mine, and like I said, I can't remember what I picked, but I know that they're all customized to me because I picked them, so that's super cool, and I can't wait to show you guys what I picked for my box. Fabfitfun is available in the UK, the US, and Canada. One of the really super cool things about Fabfitfun is that they partner with charities. And they do this each season, and they also partner with female-founded companies. So without further ado, let's go ahead and open up this Fabfitfun box. I'm so excited. How cute is this packaging though? Like, even the packaging is on point. And I've only partnered with Fabfitfun in one other video, and it was for the winter box actually last year. And I'm not joking with you guys, I use every single product that was in that box on a either daily or weekly basis. It's kind of insane. Like, I've gotten so much use out of that stuff, and it's all been super good quality. So I was stoked about that. Like, I cannot wait to see all the good quality, amazing things that I'm gonna get in here that I'm gonna use all spring. Like, I already know I'm going to. Also, the eye look I have on today, I actually used the Proof is in the Pudding palette that I got in the winter box because I wanted to show you guys how it looked. The colors are so nice to do like nudes and also like a nice nude look. And then also the formula, it's like butter. Like butter. It's so smooth. But that was the winter box. Let's get into the spring one. First, we get a Fabfitfun magazine. It's very like women empowerment inspired, which I love because we need so much more women empowerment in the world. I know it's really taken like the world by storm of just women supporting women. It's like a new thing, and I love that because I'm so tired of women being pitted against each other, and instead, like, there's so much room at the top. Like, let's lift every like, let's lift every single woman up. Like, there's no need to continuously compete with other women just because they're women. Like, let's just help everyone and just be kind to everyone. And then you get some coupons, which is super cool. I love this little butterfly sticker. That's so cute. It says, share to win, hashtag Fabfitfun. I'm so excited already. Everything looks so chic and springy. I'm so excited. Oh, I don't even know what to dive into. First, everything just looks so pretty. Okay, let's see here. All right, we've got a Wish, W-H-I-S-H, Powerfully Effective Naturals Blue Matcha Restoring Mask. Skin balancing. I actually remember picking this. Yes, I did this because I have very dry skin. Why blue matcha? This uniquely blue ingredient found in nature has both restoring and purifying properties that will leave your skin radiant after just one use. So, I mean, it really is a mask. Like, you put it on, you wait for it to dry, and then you just wipe it off. This is so awesome. I cannot wait to try this out. Next. Wonder or Wander? I can't tell. Fewer, Better Beauty Essentials. Mile High Club. Ooh, volume and length mascara. Literally, I was just thinking when I was putting on my mascara for this video, I was just thinking I needed a new mascara because mine's really old, probably over a year old, and I will probably get an eye infection if I keep using it, but whatever. Oh wow, it's like a little, I've never seen one like this before. I don't know about you, but I always like to smell the makeup. This actually smells so clean, if that makes any sense. It smells so fresh and so clean. It doesn't smell like, you have to know what I mean if you've ever smelled mascara before. Some of them smell so freaking bad. This one smells just divine. I'm actually really like stoked to put this on my eyes. Well, my eyelashes, obviously. Oh my gosh. I was just looking for a necklace to put on. I'm gonna put these on now, actually. Okay, so this is Amber Skeet's necklace is made with quality and longevity as a focus. It requires handling with care to remain in original condition. So like, don't clean it, avoid chlorine and hairspray. Okay, so basically if you're gonna apply anything to your skin that this is gonna be on, do that before you put it on. It literally, oh my gosh, it fits perfect, you guys. What do you guys think? I love it. It feels nice on the skin. I have very sensitive skin, and so sometimes I can't wear certain jewelry because it doesn't break me at, well, sometimes it makes my skin super red, but also it's just uncomfortable and it's like really itchy for me, but this actually feels really, really nice. I'll definitely get a lot of use out of this. Oh, I love it. Psst, don't forget, $10 off your first box with the code LECIALICIOUS. ASMR. Just kidding. Ooh, next we have wrinkle treatment. I smile a lot, and so I have a lot of wrinkles like right here, and I scrunch my nose up. So I have a lot of wrinkles right here, and then I don't know, I think every woman gets crow's feet eventually. So this will be nice to have, and I get a lot of wrinkle around my mouth too because like I said, I'm always smiling. So you have to insert the batteries, power it up, place over treatment area for 3 minutes, and then turn it off. So that's super easy. And this is based on science. It says so right on the box. It repairs damaged skin, tackles fine lines, wrinkles, loss of firmness, elasticity, skin dullness, and uneven skin tone. I have so much uneven skin tone. I have so much redness. I wonder if it will help that. Oh, I can't wait to try this out as well. Oh my gosh, it actually includes the batteries. When does that ever happen? That's amazing. So like you just like, oh yay. Okay, this is Tarte C, drink of H2O, hydrating boost. That's all. Oh my gosh, I always wanted some of this collection. 12-hour hydration. This is supposed to be so good for dry skin. If I can figure out how to open it, wow, I'm a mess. Great packaging too. I love that. It's very spring inspired too. How cute is this? How cute. I love that color scheme. I'm gonna start using this like ASAP, so. Oh my goodness, that smells like the sea. That smells so good. It almost smells like lavender. I really, really like that. All right, next. This is very colorful. Oh yeah. This is Color Enhancing pH Balm. So what does it say it's supposed to do? pH matching technology. Universally flattering cherry pink shade can be used on lips and cheeks. Nourishes lips and it's pineapple flavor. What? Oh my gosh, it's so cute. What a like simple, like I love that packaging. Winky Luxe. I was about to lick it. I'm not gonna lick it. That'd be weird. It smells really good though. Oh yeah, there was this hair care that's called Fabfitfun leave-on conditioner. And I always struggle with my hair being dry also because I use a lot of color on it. I colored my hair for a really long time, like just consistently. It was blue, it was purple, it was pink. I did so much to it, so much damage. I bleached it a bunch. So I'm always trying to find ways to moisturize it now that I'm like a normal color. So it says fast food feeds, smooths, and calms frizzy, thick, or coarse hair instantly. So I'll just use this after the shower. Yeah, awesome. Perfect, because I have like spritz on conditioner, but I'll definitely try this out instead. Probably tonight because I wash my hair every night, even though I used to not. But because I had colored hair, I would only wash it every 3 or 4 days. And it started to smell, and like I cherish washing my hair every night now after like not being able to with colored hair. I love washing it. It's the best time of my night when there's like water and like shampoo running through my hair. It's the best feeling ever. Next. Oh yes, my brush is literally like a $1 brush that I got from the dollar store, and I've had it for like 10 years. I have never gotten a new one. I'm a mess. So I was so excited when this was one of the things that I could pick from was a brush. I was like, yes, your girl needs a new brush. This is an Aria Beauty Luxe Chrome Detangling Brush. Thank you. That's like the best part about this box though. And I'm not even like joking with you guys or just saying this because I'm partnered with them. Like everything in this box I can like use immediately. Like I can start using all of this tonight and like have a self-pamper day, or self-pamper night. That's like the super awesome thing. It's not like you open the box and you're like, well, what am I gonna do with all this stuff now? Like I'm never gonna use it. Like, no, this is all stuff that you can use immediately. Like, it's so cool. Look at this rose gold, beautiful brush. Are you blinded? Because I'm blinded. Like this is, oh, hi. How are you? That's so cute. I love this. And don't you forget to use the $10 off your very first box with the code LECIALICIOUS. LECIALICIOUS. Okay, you guys, that was my Fabfitfun unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe, and also don't forget to give this video a like if you did enjoy it, and make sure to check out Fabfitfun and get that $10 off your first box with the code LECIALICIOUS. And don't forget that you can customize it for you if some of these things don't work for you, because like I said, I have dry skin. You might not have dry skin, so maybe some of this you'd want to replace with something else. You totally can. So I definitely recommend at least checking it out. Just give it a try for 1 season. I promise you won't regret it. Now I have all these new brands to try, and it's just so cool. I love this box. It gets me excited every time that they decide to partner with me, which so far has been twice. I get so excited each time because I know I'm about to get some amazing products. And I love it. And I want to thank Fabfitfun for partnering with me because this is awesome. They really have a hit on their hands. Like, I don't know who wouldn't want this box, to be honest. I've tried a lot of boxes before in the past, and this is the best one by far, hands down. So I definitely recommend. And go ahead and comment below and let me know if you guys have ever tried Fabfitfun and what you guys think about it. And also comment below and let me know which item that I got in my box you would be most excited to get in yours. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next one.